Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
US private payrolls increased more than expected in July, the ADP National Employment Report showed, though the labour market continues to slow. Private payrolls rose by 104,000 jobs last month, after a revised 23,000 decline in June. US stocks were slightly higher in choppy trade, after the Federal Reserve held rates steady as was widely expected, as investors awaited comments from Chair Jerome Powell for signs of when the central bank may reduce borrowing costs. Crypto token unlocks may fall to $3 billion in August, down 52% from the $6.3 billion in value unlocked in July. Despite the overall decrease, several high-profile unlocks could still impact prices. The biggest unlocks include SUI, Fast Token, Avalanche and Arbitrum.
The euro-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.